The first number of this walking, syempre nasisimula rin ang ating jump situation at narapat na po itong ating unang 10 minuto. Gusto natin kunin niya ng Sunday Club at hindi po sila magtatagumpay para po sa dakong ngayon. Ganun din yung pangalawang tira. 2 straight miss para din sa panig ng humalawang Sunday Club. And now here comes now the PBO. Looking ahead, that's the third there. At syempre pagkakataon na naman para sa panig ng Sunday Club. Kaya lang, medyo malamig pa yung ating mga players sa loob ng ating harbong. Katatapos lamang po ng napakalakas na ulan. Kaya naman yung ating mga laro ay nakalis sila po. Dahil po nakantala at nabasa yung ating covered court. Di pumasok para sa panig ng PBO. Sunday Club ngayon ng basketball. Looking ahead, short. And here comes now the PBO in on the glass as the Duarte. And they keeping the ball alive. Oh, they loses the ladder, picks up by this guy. At yun lang, masyadong malakas. Pero napigilan niya yung pag-arangkada ng bola. Takuman right now, guarded by one. Sunday Club is at the back, is at into low ball. 10 seconds on their shot clock. They can connect with a 3-point basket. PBO right now, jersey number 6, still not in. But keeping the ball alive, gets his own miss. Here comes the good ball movement by the PBO for the third guy. X-Guard. 2-0. Itong ating score here in the first as we near the 2-minute mark of this ball game. Other than 2 minutes gone by here in the first. Sunday Club goes inside off the glass, picks up his first points in the ball game. Tabla po tayo sa 2 puntos. Numero 24, magtitimon para sa kanyang kumpunan na hanapin ang tatanggap ng bola. Binigay sa kanyang kaparehong jersey number, hindi alam kung ubra yung tira. Jersey number 53, bigay sa gilid. Yan ay lalabas pabor dito sa panig ng Humalong Sunday Club. Here comes the Sunday Club, takuan from clean, no goal. And something, this guy, they wanting to get closer to the basket, win all the way, and he connects for the 2 shot. Bago po sila ng 2, 4, laban sa 2. Here comes the Sunday Club, number 21 missing that shot, and takuan. We'll have the basketball to secure that leather. Here comes another shot. Go! And that guy will open underneath the basket. Papasok yan para sa kanya. 4-4 ang ating talaan. Here comes number 24 looking ahead. But this guy wanting to take a shot, but he make his move. That's not goal. And the Sunday Club will slowly down the ladder as we need the 5-minute mark of the first. 3-point shot. Bam! That is the first 3-point shot here in our ball game. Magandang simula yan para sa panig ng Sunday Club. PBO right now, they were wanting to take answers back with off the board. That's not work. Atakbo kayo ito mga kapatid. Jersey number 8, Rivero looking that guy. Able to when we start. Shot clock at 14. Para natin yung magawa. Pakalawang kapos na yan. Tumatakoy ng panig ng PBO. Nabibigyan ng ang bola. 1-on-2 situation. Atakihin na. Ipapasa para sa 2. Babasa na pala mga 7 and 6. 4 minutes and 24 seconds to go here in our game clock. Here comes our jersey number 21. Out! No goal! Fighting for the ball. Picks up by Sunday Club. But he's still by the PBO. Here comes on the lead pass. Throwing the stick ahead. Throwing on the move. taking the lane 3-on-2 situation. Oh! Na-disgrasya yung pasa. At ang ball possession natin ay babalik sa bakuran ng Sunday Club.
Second quarter, lipat ako.
Sunday na ngayon para sa mga Timon. 3 minutes and 47 seconds to go here in the first. Number 23, Pilipinas jumper. Mataas sa banda, Ubra. Palamigan si number 23. Number 24 right now, stop and pop, looking inside. From the baseline, taking inside another pass to jersey number 6. Hindi yan papasok. And the guy will going straight to the basket. That's not working. Then Sounders number 24 stepping on the gas. Will be going. Exhibition pass. Another extra pass. Let's go. 8 and 9. Lead is cut down just only 1. Dahan-dahan ko yung baba. Itong panik ako manong sa tingnan. 3 minuto sa ating orasan. First quarter po lang po tayo mga kapatid. Here comes the Sunday Club moving ahead. By this guy, puts it up. Short. And the PBO will out. Oh, they will let him all alone. And that's good para sumanig ng PBO. 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go sa ating first. Another 3-point shot. But this is throw para kay Takuban. Nakapagpapasok na rin siya ng isa pang 3-point shot para sa kanyang upunan. Tatakbo ngayon ito pa rin ng PBO. Dancing move. Going inside. From the corner side. Go. Fighting for the ball. Picks up by the Sunday Club. Abati po sila rin ng dalawa. Hindi yung Ubra itira. Nakuha ni Rivero yung bola. Titira sa gilid. Masyadong malakas. PBO right now. May isang Sunday Club na nasa baba. At papasok yan.
Hindi yung bola mo ha.
Sunday Club right now. Looking ahead here. They're tied at 12 all. Takuban, nagbintis. Nasa ilalim, naipit ng tatlo. Walang mga puntan, walang mga pasahan. Ay, yung agad na naipasa hindi nga sa suntira. And the PBO will secure the ball. Here comes the lead pass over to Resinek para ikolekta ang 2 puntos.
Tingin sa kampe, dalawa.
Takuban.
Run!
Nagmintis. Yes, number 53 yan, in and out. Jersey number 8, spin move. Bigay sa kanyang kakampi. Gusto makalos ng dala ng Giant. They loses the letter. Picks up by the PBO. Here comes the extra pass. Hindi papasok. 3-on-1 situation doon. Hindi ka pang maalaw. Libre yung isang Sunday Club doon sa baba. And because of that, the PBO will wanting to talk things over. 14-12, kung kasama tayo ang 14. Dito po sa ating first quarter.
Alas!
Matatapos sa first quarter natin, 45.5 seconds. Kung makikita niyo po yung ating foul, wala pa pong nakaka-foul. Dito po sa dalawang unang ito, napakalinis ng kanilang first quarter foul. Number 24, Rumini, jersey number 15, 33 seconds to go in our game clock. Nasa 20. Here comes now, the green and orange. Kulay, aksyon at malasangit ang kanilang kulay. Here comes ang Takuban ng Limpa! Pangalawang pagkakataon para kay Takuban. Here in our first quarter. 14 seconds to go in the ball game. This will be gonna be the last basket. Para sa panik ng PBO, pass at the post, up and under the network. Fighting for the ball, picks up by the Sakaya. Here comes the Takuban. 2 seconds to go. At the buzzer! Goal! labanan, 17-14. And imagine, the first quarter of this ball game, wala pong pito yung ating mga referee na medyo nangasan sila because of that foul. Good play, yung pinakita ng ating
Bola!
first quarter para po sa labanang ito. Balik na po tayo sa ating action, second quarter na po tayo. Isa po magandang hapon sa lahat po ng ating mga kasama. Dito po sa loob ng Phase 4 Old Chapel Covered. Tapos yun, sa pagsisimula, para dito sa palit ng Sunday Club. Here comes now the guy in green. No, fighting for the ball, keeping the ball alive. Aatake sa gilid. Bibigay sa ilaw, inaipasa sa ibang tao. Here comes ang Takuban, cross-court, pass over to jersey number 5. From the corners and almost loses the ball. He had thrown to go and the ball possession will remain on Sunday Club with 14 seconds to go on the shot. 14 seconds to go na lalabay sa kanilang shot clock. Number 11, at talikuran yung pasa. Number 71, jumper for the basketball. Picks up by the Sunday Club. It's Ropas kasi siya ang bukas kumangga. Picket ko rin. Basket will not count. The basket will not count. There's only a down foul. Spotted by referee Gabriles. Here comes now Sunday Club. Back on track here. Number 4. Ross Ropas almost for turnovers there. Shot clock leads by 7. Here comes now the Orange. Fires and missing. Ends up with the PBO. Oh, that is a foul. Ngayon naman, nakadalawang susunod tayo ng foul. So, team had 1 team foul and both players have 1 personal foul para sa kanilang mga kumpunan. 8 minutes and 34 seconds to go in the ball game. Here comes out the PBO corner side to go. Ako ngayon ito panik ng Sunday Club. Jersey number 5, second on the gas, kick out, punch it up. No, this time will miss almost but not quite. Para kay Takuban. Jersey number 1, number 10, going ahead. Bukas na tao, hindi bikila. Kalapit, floater na sa court. Big man picks up the basketball. Sulat pa lang ilalim ng court. Pangatlong pagkakataon ang isasabayan ng PBO.
Patan din niya pala, no? At matandaan na siya.
Baba sa isang kalamangan, 17-16. Cross court. Pass to his teammate, number 71 at the post. Comes to their guard. Fire!
Hey!
Sure! But Takuban keeping sa bola line. Number 11. Wala! Oh,
Box out!
Great hustle there para sa running ng Sunday Club to get the second chance point para sa kanilang kupunan. Papasok kaya yan? Hindi, masyadong malakas yung 3-ball shot. But he will keep it saving the day para dito sa running ng PBO. Isa lamang 19-18. Second quarter tayo as we near the 7-minute mark of this ball game. As we approach that, it's just only 1 point lead. Gilid, titira, papasok yan! That is a 3-point shot for jersey number 11. Nakakatatlo lang from behind the arc. Itong pawning ng Hongkolong Sunday Club. Way back in the first 2. Ngayon naman sa second quarter. Isa. 18 and 22 ang ating score. Apat ang kalamangan ng kapatid. Gustong ibaba sa isa, hindi yan umubra. Number 6. It's good. Number 18. Number 16. Warning for delay in the game. Warning for delay in the game dito para kay jersey number 16. Number 5. Number 2 Takuban. Number 71, shot clock is at 15. He jumps without the basketball. Jersey number 4 loses the ball, but they saving the day. Looking ahead, fires, no goal. And the guy ends up with a foul against Edgar. Substitution red. .5:03 to go in our game clock. Here comes now the guy of PBO. They wanting to add their points to tie or even take a lead here. Here comes now the PBO. Big man at the post. Hindi nga lang umabot yung kanyang tira. Shot na sa crowd. Number 1 once again. Wala pa rin. And the Sunday Club, those running and running here. 3-on-2 situation. Sabi niya, sandali lang. Hintay tayo ng rest back. Hintay tayo sa mas marami nating kasama. Here comes now jersey number 5 on the go. Open shot. No. The big man will secure that ladder. Over to jersey number 10. Up and under. That's the Norte. Here comes now the Sunday Club. Balik tayo sa kabilang bakuran. Gusto mo matake. Hindi ang papasok. Bola na kumuha ng PBO. Here comes now the PBO. Jersey number 53 goes left and right. Go. Pangalawa. Yes. Pumasok na. Para sumalik ng PBO. Tagla po tayo at 22. We are tied at 22 all here in the second quarter. 3 minutes and 50 seconds to go in the game. Here comes the Sunday Club looking ahead. Calling the receiver. Number 5, they're swinging the ball around. Punch it up. No go. And the back pass, we're going all the way to his teammate at the backboard. Number 10 for the Pierce. Back to him. Back to number 10. Lahang na po sila ng dalawa. 24-22. Ganda ng dalawa na yun ah. Walang naging buwakaw sa tagpulaw. Almost for still eh. Here comes the guy. Set shot jumper with a long two. Jersey number 1. 3-minute mark na lalapit ito ang second quarter. Nako, desgrasya amigo. And because of that, PBO will wanting to complete over once again. They breaks another timeout. We are tied at 24 all. 3 minutes and 1 seconds to go here on the second quarter. Tabla po tayo. Hindi po tayo naglalaro sa tabla. Yung flooring po natin ay semento. Pero yung ating score ang tabla. 24 po ang ating score, mga kapatid. 3-point shot. After play na tayo from the PBO. They got a 3-point basket. 24-27. Abante po sila ng tatlo. Pagkakasimula ng ating second quarter, ng ating timeout. 3-point shot kagad ang pinitawan. Moving ng 58 seconds to go in our game clock. Nasa Norte. Balik tayo sa panilang Sunday Club. Dahil talagang pinapakita kayo ng Sunday Club. Ito na, tumatakbo na sila nagmamadali. We will step in on the gas. Floater is gone! Di ba na ba kanila kalamangon? Naanong po yung bola? They steal the basketball. And then comes now jersey number 5 looking ahead. They wanting to take a pass once again. Ang layo nito! Hindi ka lang mo ba yan? Bola na para sa balik ng PBO.
Ilalim ka.
Jersey number 24. Over to jersey number 16. Pasa sa gilid. Halat ang pampasahan sa ilalim. Nasunod na naman ang Sunday Club. Oh, dahil pasa kay number 24. Here comes our number 24 on the move. Quickly pass to his teammate. Corner side jumper. That's the key. Bola. Ka-Sunday Club. Masyadong malakas. Substitution rep.
Walang bumabalik.
Kakaroon po tayo ng palitan ng tao. The PBO have a chance to cut down that big lead. So far in our ball game by just only 5. Pinakamalaking kalamangan po yung nagawa. Metropolitan ng Sunday Club, 29 naman sa 24. 1 minute and 24 seconds to go in the ball game. Here comes the shot, no go. Fighting for the ball, picks up with the PBO. Jersey number 6, going straight, going at it. Nowhere to go. Quickly pass, shot that leads by 8. Oh, get the basket. Make the stop of the foul. Yan ang maganda. Yan ang mas lucky break para sa balik ng PBO. They got the basket with the ball. 26-29 ang nasa ating talaan. Babasa tatlo lamang. Pagkakataon pa itong maibabasa dalawa. Jersey number 24. The free throws. Magandang hapon, Mr. Maggio. The El Presidente Silvano. Mula po sa hanay ng Sunday Club. Ito na, ang panik ni jersey number 5. Yes! Maganda-ganda pinapakita ngayon ng Sunday Club. Since in the first, hindi na po nakatikim ng kalamangan nitong panikang PBO! Another back-to-back and one play para sa panikang PBO! 29-31. Hindi po tayo nagkakalayo ng kalamangan. The biggest lead so far is at 5 points. Nangyari po yan dito po sa second quarter ng ating labanan. 48.7 seconds to go. Another bonus shot. Hindi pa rin papasok yan. But he will keep the ball alive. Here comes now once again the PBO. Tabla na po tayo, 31 rule. 15 lang in our ball game. PBO Obra. Tatabi ka ng bola, makukulang sa aming club. Here comes out the guy. Shot that leads by 14. 26.3 seconds to go. Sa position na. Okay, sa position na. 21.9 seconds to go. In our team clock. 21.9 seconds. Something right now going ahead, puts it out, no goal. And the ball will goes to the PBO. 16.2 seconds to go in our game clock. This is the last basket. Sino kaya makakakuha ng last basket? PBO right now is on top. Lamang na po ang PBO ng dalawa. 4 seconds to go. We need to rush here. 2 seconds to go.
Uy!
Before we okay, we're back na po tayo mga kapatid. Muli po ang pagbati ng ating kagalang-galang po ng Barangay Joel Bacolod, Mayor Oka, Congressman Along, Consel Enteng, at syempre, ng ating kagalang-galang kagawad Consel Ray Bacolod. Eka nga LB Seekers, for bagong silang LB Seekers for District 1. Yan si Consel Ray Bacolod. At syempre ganun din, kagalang-galang kagawad Manolito Nol Quilite. So far so good, itong ating unang bahagi ng itong ating first half. Now we are on the third chapter of this ball game. Let's see kung ito nga rin pa action katulad ng naunang dalawang quarter. Here comes ang Sunday Club, magaling na goal. Gusto nilang pasimulan na itong ating third quarter. Ulang hindi sila magtatagumpay para dyan. Jersey number 19, footstep on the break. Looking at the jersey number 15, fighting this guy. Passes sa gilid, they wanting to get the basket and shot clock leads by 10. Here comes the number 15, pass at the corner side, shot clock leads by 5. And with that basket, to end that shot clock before the buzzer will sound, they beat by the score of 2. Off the glass, Hindi Obra. Sunday Club, the PBO had an opportunity to taste a lead here with the big boys. Oh! That is a big 3-point shot para sa panig ng PBO. Pinakamalaking kalamangan is at 7. Jersey number 5. Slow things down. They pass it to the guy who's hot and hot to the points. Quick 2-point shot. Will be added. 8.5 or 8.35 to go in our game clock. Here comes now. Sunday Club on the run. Takuban! Mainit din ang kamay ni Edgar Takuban. Pangatlo na yan dito sa ating labanan. Another 3-point shot para sa panig ng Sunday Club. Continuous action tayo. That will be a whistle. Spotted by our officials. Ibig sabihin, another turnovers committed foul para dito sa panig ng PBO. Tuloy-tuloy tayo, Takuban! Hindi na yan papasok para kay Edgar. And the ball will goes back to the PBO at this moment. Sila una nakatikim ng malaking kalamangan dito sa ating labanan by 7 points. Ngayon balik sa dalawa. They swinging the ball around. Porchero. No go. Here comes out the orange shirt. They will step in on the gas. Jersey number 5 goes all the way. Doesn't work. PBO won this counter. 7.5 to play in our ball game. Here comes jersey number 15. They wanting to get closer. Block. Supal palang inabot. Takuban will secure that leather. Pass to jersey number 21. To number 5. Tinagawa ni number 4. Napunta kay number 4 ng PBO. Papalitan sa labang kalay. Ipagkain pasa sa labang orange. Napaganda pa. If we look at the referees, he said, there's a foul. Pero sabi naman yung vision, no more foul there. Yes, sir. Yes po, nakaset po kayo. Okay. 6 and 52 to go in the game. 3-point shot. Don't go. Fighting for the ball. Pets up by the Sunday Club. Nagmamadali. Sasalubong. In out. Watch it up. Don't go. Almost but not quite. Jersey number 4. Bigay kay number 19. Umikot. Wala. Nakukuha yan. Ito na si jersey number 5. In and out. Bola nakukuha pa rin ng PBO. Here's your trouble. Ito na rin sa pass. 3-on-2 situation. At yung pinakamalaki ng pimitis para sa kanila. Nakuha ng Sunday Club. Here comes now. The guy in orange. Ay, na-stepper masyado namang malakas sa kabila. Pangalawang pagkakataon. Jersey number 1. He'll take the basket kay Cartinho Bamba. Ganda ng pagkakabigay sa susunod na pasok. Basket is good plus the bonus sprinkles in the part of Humanong Sunday Club. We are tied at 88 all. 6:03 to go in our game. Substitution left. 6:03 to go in our game club. And a lot of changing players on and off the court para din sa subalit ng PBO. Pinakamalaking kalamangan po na kanilang nagawa is at 7 point. Pero saglit lamang yan. Dahil sa pagkakataong ito, lamang na po ng tatlo. Itong panig ng Humanong Sunday Club, 38-41. Palitan na naman po tayo ng kalamangan dito. Ito ang panig ng PBO. Nasabitan. At yan ay may dalawang tira. Yan na may dalawang tira. May free throws po tayo na nagaganap. And that guy will do their job para sa free throw shot na ibibigay para sa kanyang kupunan. Jersey number 5 looking hand check. 5:44 to go in our game clock. Here comes on jersey number 21. Nakalusot, hindi uubra yung tira. Mario Silvano will miss the shot. The big man will goes up and under. There's a foul. There's a foul. Fucking foul. And 2 free throws is coming. Substitution left. Punta naman ang palitan ng tao dito sa balik ng Sunday Club. 5:28. Pangalawang pagkakataon. Hindi yan ubra. Takuban will secure that leather kaya hindi na mula yung pasa. Here comes on the PBO. Extra pass na sa kanyang kampe. Pinasa pa sa ilalim. Teka lang, masyado malaki yung kanyang patay. Kaya sabi na, labas muna tayo. Balikin na ako 53. Yun ang punta sa tao. Pumayag iyan! Grabe! Great pieces of time from the PBO. Right back on the yard of Sunday Club. Fires! Tuslo, hindi na. There's another point of nakuhan. Wala. Wala makukuha. Who takes the ball? Takes the ball. Ball possession will remain on Sunday Club. 3 minutes and 56 seconds to go. 3 minutes and 56 seconds to go in our game clock. Substitution left. We are tied at 41. Here comes Silvano. Over to the big man. Block. Partially block. Ito na ang PPO. Gusto maka-score. Balik sa kanilang kalamangan. They bounce. They bump up and score. Lamang po sila ng dalawa mga kapatid. Lamang sila ng dalawa. Dito sa ating third quarter. 3 and a half to go. Here comes the steal by the PPO. Here comes the bounce pass. Number 6 for the Raiders. And because of that, Comoros and the club will burst another timeout. Abang din ang apat itong paling ng PBO. Gandang mga kapatid, grabe itong ating aksyon. Wala nagtatangkang kumalas dito ng Malaylaya. Remember, our biggest lead is at only 7 points. Para po sa dalawang kumpalang ito at may nangyari na po tayong 8 deadlock dito po sa ating labanan. Third quarter po tayo mga kapatid. 3 minutes and 18 seconds to go in our game clock and a down foul. Remember, first quarter wala silang foul na naibigay. Kaya nagtapos yung ating unang 10 minuto with no fouls. Tayo pumasok ng penalty and also in the second quarter ilan lang na dito ng ating mga referees. Tama po sa foul. Oh! There is still by the PBO! And duty foul has been dropped. Duty foul has been dropped.
Play!
Pinasa sa ilalim! Ito na. Pangalawa sa pinakamalaki kalamangan natin. 6 points. PBO na naman ang magawa. Here comes the Mario Silvano running jump pero go. PBO right now. We're wanting to add to the lead. This is the second biggest lead in our ball game by 6. Inside. Up and under is goal. Na-break na po. Na-break na. Na-break na yung unang pinakamalaking kalamangan. This time by 8 points. Walo. PBO pa rin nakagawa mga kapatid. Here comes ang nasanay na goes under. No more. The ball quit. The PBO up and under na sa court. Mausin pa rin. Masisipa yung bola. They kick ball. Bola po yan. Sabi ka. Substitution line. Pasok po yung mga players natin sa loob ng ating hard court. 2 minutes and 14 seconds to go.
6. Pasok na!
Okay, here comes now.
Pasok na!
Here comes now the PBO on the attack. They wanting to add to their highest points. Block from behind. And you were asking for a foul. You were asking for a foul.
Wala pa pa sa sinali.
1 minute and 45 seconds. 49-41. Pinakamalaking kalamangan is at 8 points right now. Ito po yung nangyari. PBO pa rin po may talan. 3-point shot. No go. Mario Silvano picks the ball. Push on rotation. Ay, nakalanta. Substitution ref. Tingnan natin, ito po ay kanyang dala-dala pa rin hanggang sa ngayon. Second quarter, sa itong dekada ng dalawang 3-point shot, isa sa first quarter. Third quarter, wala pa so far. Here comes now the guy, cross-court pass, punch it up! No go! Second chance, point sa ilalim! Pinigay sa libre! Hindi na lang papasok yung tira! E takuban right now! Meron sunod na basketball! Team pass na bola pa na number 4! Jersey number 24, up and under! No! Breaking for the ball, picks up in the second up. Sabi niya, teka lang, huwag tayo magmadali. Teka lang sa ilalim, gagawa ng bola. Pinigay ba yan? And the PBO right now, back on top, walang papuntahan. And takuban! Will knock the ball away! Here comes from the Sunday Club. On the attack, goes Fires! No! Second chance! Third chance point! Sa ilalim, kick out! Back shot! No! Sayang yung mga pagkakataon na yun! 25 seconds to go! Will Fires is gone! Nako! Buti ka pa maagaw! 70 seconds to go! Here comes now! Dawa ng Sunday Club! They wanting to get closer! Natis ka sa palipasa! And this will be gonna be saying goodbye! At 5 seconds to go in the ball game! Diyos ko! Medyo umatake itong panig ng PBO! Ayan na mga kapatid, fourth and final quarter. Pinakamalaking kalamangan po ito sa ating labanan at 14 o at by 12. Ito pasa sa ilalim. Dadagdagan pa nila yan. Hindi yan uubra. At ang bola ay makukuha na ng panig ng bola sa teka. Here comes our number 4, pass. Over to the guy. They pass. They going inside and that will be a blocking foul. 9:35 to go in our game clock. 9:35. Here comes now the Sunday Club. Looking uncheck. Looking ahead. Fires! Set missing. The ball ends up with the PBO. Walk up by club here. Wala ko po nakaka-score dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. PBO right now is on top. 12 puntos sa kanilang pinakaingatan. Nakalusot. Ang makakagaw yan sa Sunday Club. Makakagaw yan. Here comes our number 5 on the run. Stop and bomb. Correct. Papasa 10 ang lamang. 10 ang kalamangan. 53-43. Jersey number 15 goes all the way. No! Bola! And that will be a foul. That will be a foul. Here comes jersey number 44. Stop and pump. No! Bola! Siya naman ang susunod. No! Tignan natin yung mga pagkakataon na yan. And that is a foul laban dito kay Takuban. Substitution left.
Ako ba ni Jordan? Yan.
Jersey number 16, Paronda. Mamamahala para sa paglalabas ng bola. Here comes on the steal by the Sunday Club. They wanting to get... Umatake siya, hindi niya inisip na kahit na malaki yung kanyang pantay. They attacking their defensive, their offense. And they decide that foul and he will push to the line. Hindi ko yung nataya yung aking. Pero matapang, nakakabilis yung manalaran ito. Napakatapang, dala ng the Giant. Pumasok yung kanyang pangalawa doon. 8 minutes and 18 seconds. Oh, they're still almost there. 15 seconds to go. And they're still out. Yun na nga. Mapapasa kamay na naman ang Sunday Club. Ito ang bola. Siyamang kalamangan. Siyamang kalamangan. Ito na ang panik ng Sunday Club. Cross court. To jersey number 5. Quickly pass to his teammate. Goes up and under. Go. Second dance point. Yes! Baba sa pito ang lamang. Baba sa pito ang malamangan. Let's see. We need to stop here. We need to stop. Sunday Club, we're wanting to stop this ball game. Ball possession for supply ng PBO. Almost still there. Here comes the extra pass. Open. Shot. Sunday Club will go all the way. He was stepping on the gas. He will go to his taking the hole. Saan mo pagkakataw ba yun? Pagkakataw sa mga ng PBO. Ito lang mga taga-PBO titira. Wala pa rin. Bola sa kanila pa rin. PBO sa table shot. Go. Bola. Makikita na. Mapapatawag po muna ng timeout. Itong panik ng PBO na ubos sa kanilang 12 na puntos na kalamangan. Dalawa pa tanong ninyo. And after this timeout, we will move back for basketball action, fourth and final quarter. Welcome mga kapatid, wala po nagtatangkang magsabi ng teka. Amin ang itong oras na ito. Dito po sa ating fourth and final quarter, we are on 7-minute mark. Ito na yung knockout play. Knockout play yan, hindi papasok. And that will be a foul. Duty foul is spotted by our officials.
Press na ball. Si Joel.
Kaya yung knockout play na yun.
Wala ka eh.
Balik tayo sa lukro ng PBO. Ito na yung ofensiba. Kanilang pinakamahalaan dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Jersey number 1. Then jersey number 1. Looking at set. Shot clock leads by 10. Oh, what a pass! What a ball movement! But they can't connect. Underneath the basket. He takes the foul. He will push to the right for 2. Great presence of mind. To goes on the roll, ball movement, third personal foul, fourth personal foul, kung sa nakakuha ng foul, under 7 minutes to play here in the fourth and final quarter.
Take time, take time.
Tapos yung kanyang pangalawang tira, walang pumasok kahit na isa. Kaya itong kalamangan na ito ay mananatili sa ganyan lamang. And the Golden Heart had an opportunity. Substitution ref, substitution. And the Golden Heart, other than Sunday Club, the Sunday Club had an opportunity to get closer here in our fourth and final period. Ito na. Gusto mong makagawa ng diskarte nito. Mario Silvano, dahil presidente, will setting up the play here almost for still there. Nakakuha ng puha. Yun ang pasang maganda! Yun ang pasang maganda! Papunta sa kanyang kakampi. 48-53 sa score, mga kapatid. They wanting to get higher than lead by 12. Kaya lang hindi sila nagtagumpay sa pagkakataon na yun. PBO, bigay sa gilid, atake, wala yung tira. And Mario Silvano will launch onto the basketball. They wanting to get the pass here. Atake, papasa sa gilid. Pinasa papas na pinawat. Pumukra pa pa na ball. No player will not. The possession will remain on Sunday Club. Tuwan-tuwan si Takuman ah. Lupin mo mamalibay yun. Parang pagaspas ng pakpak ng kalapati yung kamay dyan ha. Ito na tayo tumatakbo ng PBO. Jersey number 6 na clock. Yun na. Wala yung tira. Wala yung tira. Hindi pumasok. And Kinuha niya yung area spot ng itong player kasi tinatawag ng blocking foul. Just, ganda ng pasa! Di ka na pumasok ng tira! Takbo na! Ito si jersey number 53. Going at it. 3-on-3 situation. Fires! No go! Sunday Club wanting to take a basket here. Wala pa nakaka-basket na jersey number 5. Inside to the big man. At kayang inabot. Pero ito pa rin yung pagkakataon. Nakakuha ng kuha-kuha. Ay, Lumiri, Jokoras. Hindi nila nababawasan yung kalamangan. Here comes jersey number 1. They wanting to get the pass here. They melting the clock. They swinging the ball around. Puts it up. The PBO wanting to take a long distance here in our fourth and final period. But the Sunday Club will burn some other timeout after that hitting the 3-point basket. 55 other 56-14 is our score. Nagpapalik po kami. Both team had one timeout to call. Both team had one timeout to call.
Ba't na ba si Bella?
Ilaw po, ilaw. Bro, caretaker po ng ating goal. Ilaw po. Balik na po tayo mga kapatid sa ating labanan. Ayaw nating mabitin sa magandang aksyon na ating nakikita sa loob. Ito Sunday Club gusto sumagot after the 3-point basket at after the calling the timeout here. Mintes, bola pa rin ang Sunday Club. Here comes out the guy in orange and green, and that will be a foul from behind. Coming for jersey number 24. Muli po kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating mga nanonood sa labas. Sa ngalan ng ating kagalang-galang po ng kay Joel S. Pacolod, Mayor Ropa, Congress Manalo, Councilor A. Pacolod at Councilor Entek Malapitan. Umikot-ikot, mawawala yung bola at papabuyan. Ang bola ay mananatiling sa panig pa rin ang Omalong Sunday Club with 8 seconds to go on their shot clock. 8 seconds to beat that shot clock. And no! Nanahimik na si Takuban sa layong shot. 14 seconds para sa kanilang shot clock. Pagkakataon, ito, siyang sasagot. He fires! Laking bagay para sa comic ng Sunday Club. Papasa yung mga kalamangan. Ito na yung pagkakataon. Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang dito ng PBO? Shot clock leads by 10. They swing the ball out. Passing the other side. Susubok! Bola sa panig ng PBO. PBO pa rin. PBO. Substitution, rep substitution. Caballero will check. Will out to the ball game. Bola ng PBO. Ladies cut down to just only 5. Tignan natin anong gagawin dito. Naupos na naman yung kanilang kalamangan. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to go in the ball game. Jersey number 1. Enormous is still there, but there's a foul. Has been called by referee Papa Lima Dennis Cacho.
14 seconds ulit yan. Shot clock ulit yan, shot clock oh.
Warning for penalty, warning for penalty. Substitution rep.
Press ulit, press oh. 14 ulit yan oh.
Jersey number 1. Over to number 24. They swing the ball around pass. Finds jersey number 1 once again. Using the screen, using the peak. From the other side, no. Fighting for the ball. Picks up from the Sunday Club. Here comes the lead pass. Going straight to the basket. Almost put the point. Almost put that point, but he will push to the line for 2.
Well, bawas tayo, well!
Wala pumasok sa free throws. Ang ating score. 234. Ito na, ang Sunday Cup attacking. Lalabas siya. Ayan, 52-56. Okay na po, okay na po, okay na po. Here comes now the big shot, hindi gagawin. Lalapit! No goal! Sayang yung pagkakataon na yun. Ito na ang PBO. The big shot is gone. The Flakes and the shot will connect in 2 minutes and 12. There's the steal by the PBO. Here comes the steal by the PBO. He fires. There's the foul. There's a foul. Nataranta sa pasa na yan. 2 minutes and 5 seconds to go.
Take time, take time!
Ayaw malamanan dito ng PBO.
Pahinga, pahinga!
May free throws pa tayo.
Pahinga!
Both team had one timeout to call on each side.
Yes! Sabay, sabay, pahinga!
Mabukas po yung ilaw sa caretaker po ng court natin. Pumasok yung pangalawa. Pumasok yung pangalawa. 2 minutes. Last. And one basket. Para sumbalik na umalong sa Sunday Cup. Higit at basket. May free throws pang kasama.
Sa Ibewang.
Wala na yun, dito wala. Ako sa babo.
Wala. Sa taas wala. Sa Bewang.
Sino foul? May pinaka-foul red. is our score. Limang kalamangan mga kapatid. Mitch is cut down to just only 5. They swinging the ball around. They're making the block here. 10 seconds to go para sa kanilang shot clock. Here comes out the guy, PBO. Pass inside. Let's go. Almost. Here comes out the Sunday guy. Natapik. Malaking bagay na pagkakataon na tayo. Please, their last timeout here in our ball game. Yan na po yung kanilang pangulimang timeout. Wala na po silang timeout. Sa next sequence natin, 1 minute and 30 seconds to go in the ball game. 62-55 is our score. Ano kaya maging senaryo? Itong labanan ito. Sa PBA po tayo, Barangay Ginebra will win the ball game against Student Text. 25 points ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra. Tapos na po yung kanilang laban. Laglag na Student Text. Pasok ang Ginebra sa next round. 1 minute and 30 seconds na naman dito sa ating live action. Dito po sa loob ng ating Pittsburgh Old Chapel. Ito na. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating labanan. People shot from deep. No! 1 minute and 22 seconds to go. Isa pa po. Substitution. Advance tayo sa advance na. May nag-advance time out. Para mabilis po tayo. Ito na yung possession ng halaga. There's a collision there, pero si Takuban niya. So, saya makakakuha.
Take time!
Sir, yung ilaw po natin, pa-open po.
Pinaglabas lang para mabilis lang. Take time!
1 minute and 19 seconds to go. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ng Sunday Cup ang bola. 1 second to go. Maraming pa na nangyari. Eh, katulad nga po ng sabi natin na sa friend na po, eh, kung panig ng Hokalong Sunday Club, that's why every course to give will cost including close. And the first pass is in para dito sa panig ng PBO. Medyo malaki-laking bagay yan. 8 po ang kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating quarter final quarter. The biggest lead so far is at 12. Ang kanilang kalamangan, substitution rep. Wala po ba tayong ilaw? Sir, pakibuksan po yung ilaw. Ito, take it po ng court natin. Kasama.
Dikit, dikit!
Ito na po. Ito na po yung isang nigab. Oh. They burn a shot here. Kaya natin magtutuloy-tuloy yung mga ito dito mga isang nigab. Pero mga 59 seconds to go.
Dikit, dikit!
9-point lead here. Tatlong 3 points lang ito. Papala rin. Tatlong 3 points lang ito. They need to stop here. They need to stop here. They don't give the foul. They know. He's still in the backcourt. Pero right away. Okay na. Ipasa pa. Nawala yung bola. Nabinawan. Inilabas. Shot clock leads by 9. Nakakagawa yung bola. Nakakagawa yaman. Papasok yan. Pitulang yan. Pitulang yan. 36 seconds to go. 7-point lead. They need another stop. They need another stop here. And then there's the PBO kick out. Oh, they will pick the clock. Oh, they don't give the foul here. Because nasa penalty na sila. 24 seconds to go. Shot clock leads by 9. Oh, they don't give the foul. They swing the ball out. Inside. Ay, ang daming sinayang ng oras din. Ang oras din ng foul. Kung kailan nandun sa ilalim sa magbibigay ng foul.
Kita kuban pa lang, ba't tinaw niya na? Pahinga, Well!
Sayang yung
Pahinga, pahinga!
Nagmigtis pa naman yung unang free throws.
Pahinga!
1 minute, 15 seconds to go. Sayang oh! Parang, this is the game is all about. PBO will saving this day on this game para po sa kanilang kupunan after the leading as much as 12 points na isalba po nila. Ito pa nila ang momentum dito sa sige.
Ibig na nakapagpahinga na siya. Well, pahinga, Well!
Di ba? 11 seconds to go in our game clock. Nako, PPO will saving their day para sa kanila. Para ma-connecta itong another winning skip here sa ating bakbakan. And kahit po nakapunto sa inyong paling ng Hokalong Sunday Club in Queens as kapag here comes now the green shirt and orange as the work there. And with 2 seconds to go in the game clock.